Hi Pisces, Trishna here. Happy New Year and welcome to your January 2019 reading. What I'm feeling for you is I think that you are trapped in your own mind at this point. You are either laser focused on something from your past that you still have hope it will succeed, or something from your past that you really are still holding on to that maybe you worked on before and you really thought was going to work out, and you're still checking back to see if it will work out and maybe putting too much attention on it than there really needs to be. Or you're just really confused about something and just really stuck in your head and are in this mental fog that you can't really get out of, and you don't know where your thoughts are, where they begin, where they end. Either way, the guidance that I'm getting for you is that it's it's really important that you disengage from whatever is pulling your attention, pulling your emotions into the past, whether that's a past project that you're laser focused on or some confusion that you used to have before that you just can't really get yourself out of. You need to disengage from that mentally and just really start moving forward. And the thing to help you with that is that whatever this is, whatever it is that you're confused about and trying to figure out, or that you wish would succeed and you're still really hoping for and keeping such a watchful eye on, if it was going to succeed, it would succeed without your help. You have already done as much as you can. You've put as much thought into it. You've put as much work into it as you possibly can. You've done all that you can. And now if it's going to succeed, it will. And if you continue to just sit there and watch it instead of focusing on your future and moving forward and doing other things, you're going to totally miss out on other opportunities, and you're just going to be sitting waiting for something. It's like when they say it's a watch pot never boils. Yeah. But I guess in terms of another example, let's say you were you wanted to plant 10 trees, that was your goal, and then you planted the first one, but instead of just moving on to the next one because okay, I've done what I need to do, I've planted it, I've watered it, I put it in the right soil, now I just need to move on and do the other 10 or the other 9. Instead, you just sit there and plant the first one and wait. You're going to be waiting a long time before anything happens because you've done all you can do. If it's going to grow, it's going to grow. If it's not going to grow, it's not going to grow. All you can do is move on to the next one and the next one and the next one. So that's the situation that you're in. You're stuck on the first thing or some other project, and you're just not moving on from it, and you have other goals that you want to achieve. You have other things that you need to accomplish, and if you just focus on that one thing, you will never get any of that done, and then where will you be after that? So that's the guidance that I get for you, is really try to disengage from whatever this past thing is. Let it go, move on. Understand that you've done all you can, and if it's going to succeed, it is going to succeed. You don't need to sit there and watch it. You don't need to do anything else. Let it do its thing. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my website, which I will have at the end of this video and in the description box. And I will see you in my next video.